Her date of birth is January 1st, 1989. Making her 33 years in 2022, and she has a zodiac sign of Capricorn. She felt that with persistence, consistency, and even just a little extra effort, despite the obstacles in front of her, she can realize anything.
Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you.
Korina Kova also feels like not everyone is blessed to be famous due to their natural ability or talent, rather it's pure chance if they find themselves on top one day without any real achievement under their belt at all. Korina Kova is worth anywhere from $200,000 to $970,000. For someone who is an adult, her height as we know it is 5 feet 3 inches, 160 centimeters, and her weight is 154 pounds, 70 kilograms.